Hello everyone. It's my honor to invite you here to share my ideas of the exosome and for the ExoCoBio. My name is Dr. Simon Lin. I have the dermatology clinic. I'm a dermatologist at Hsinchu City, Taiwan. So it's a very honor to be here and as a user of the exosome and the ExoCoBio, and very happy to be here. Before we talk about aesthetic medication, right now we talk about a regeneration medication. But at the end of the day, we talk about a longevity medication. It means that skin health is important. As for the regeneration, we always have the initiating of the cell signal. For example, we can inject the biostimulator, or maybe we can do some of the laser device to destroy skin to make the signal up again. But still, we want the regeneration signal to transmit in the right way, to the right place, to make the skin more healthier and more maybe normalized, and not because we just want to destroy the skin, destroy the pigmentation. So we have to have some things to like a vehicle of the signal. That's how the exosome is very popular these years, because it really fulfills the gap between the regenerative medication and the aesthetic medication. So the first thing first, under the laser treatment or under any kind of regeneration treatment, like the EBD, like a monopolar radio frequency, we all doing some kinds of the damage because we want to initiate some signal of regeneration. So why exosome will enhance the effect? Before we talk about the enhancement, we talk about the safe. As a dermatologist, we always introduce a variety of the skincare products in between the procedure or before the procedure. Like we introduce the idea of the integration skincare in our whole procedure. Before the 1 week, we use the antioxidant, and during the treatment, we use the soothing lotion, and after the treatment, we use the anti-pigmentation, like the tranexamic acid topically. This is the basic foundation of the integration skincare. But besides of that, during the treatment and also the very good laser procedure, we want something to kick off regeneration, not only protect the safety, but make the skin more healthier. So that's why I introduced the ExoCoBio, the products, the very beautifully exosome to EV to extract it from the rose stem cell. I think it's very important to safely to fulfill this gap. And my patients are very happy because not only they feel safe and stable, but even in the first day of the treatment by the picoseconds laser or maybe for the microneedling, they will feel that instantly their skin will become and soothing. So there's no redness about after 1 day or 3 days before, but right now they say, oh, my redness instantly fade away. I think it's very beautifully to demonstrate how fast the regeneration skin is kicking. As I claimed before we talk about aesthetic medication, everyone wants to be beautified, and everyone wants to be making themselves differently. But now is a time of the diversity. We all have different kinds of culture. We do have ourselves as the self-image enhancement. So the core concept of this kind of culture is that healthiness. We are healthy from our body. You can see at the Korea Street, everyone is a very good figure because they're doing a workout, right? And so we see that before we always do the over makeup, but right now everyone is glassy skin. So I think in the future of the aesthetic medication, the core is that we give everyone regenerative medication. And after that, we will cherish about everyone's their life for the longevity. So I think for the past, it may be a mystery of the exosome. For the present, we have the evidence, we have the research. In the future, I believe that the exosome will be core of the regeneration medication, and hope we, as a dermatologist, we can bring everyone a healthy skin and to share their happiness and their lifestyles in a very beautiful way and a very healthy way. I think the ExoCoBio doing a very good job to put in a lot of the study energy, and then they really want to talk about everything, every aspect of the exosome. So they invited all the doctors from the whole world, and thanks you here for inviting me as a representative Taiwan, and I was very honored. And welcome to Taiwan, Heart of Asia. Hope you see you there.